Umoja Baragani. Welcome to my expression of Kwanzza. I being Queen, Mother Goddess Opulence, Ra Enter, Keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace, here, there, and many other platforms that those of us who are into social media travel. I came to share with you my feelings of Kwanzaa and to tell you of some of the principles, actually all of them. Umoja, unity, is the first one. And that's what's causing us to be here together, unity. And the second one, and I already talked about Umoja extensively, Kumba, self-determination. I was to get this done. My spirit said, girl, sister, queen, you better go forward with this. This is your time to speak your truth. And the second one is, the third one is, I forget the order, so I'm prepared. Ujama, collective work and responsibility. Working together is a wise thing to do. That's how you build a community. That's how you build a trust, like a bank. Working together. There are things in some communities, African American, where people put money together. And when someone is in need of money, they are able to help that person. I'm thinking it's not just African American people, because other cultures do it, but we need to learn to embrace this even more. Yes. The next one is, number 4 is Ujima. It sounds very, very similar. And this is in terms of the word, which the words are Swahili words, which come from East Africa. There's about 7, 8, 9 countries in East Africa that speak Swahili, among many other languages. But the U, as I was really paying attention to the word starting with a U, I said, this is about you. It's about you. It's about you. And economics is an important component to living on planet Earth at this point in time. You got to have some money. And I'm remembering when I was a little girl, oh my goodness, they were, my stepfather's sister had a little grocery store. They were like from where the heck were they from? They were Geechee people. But, her husband, that's what it was. Her husband was from Barbados or someplace like that. And the people that live on the islands tend to have a more collective way of working economically, which is very interesting, because in America, there's a major difference. Although I'm going to direct you to Black Wall Street. There was a time, there was a place, and it happened before, and it can happen again, and it will happen again. Nia, purpose. What is your purpose for being here? Why are you here? Nia. I am here to tell my truth to you, to express more and more of my journey in hopes and in knowing that I will help many. It's time for me to become the butterfly, come out of the cocoon, and to ask you to look into yourself, to understand what your purpose is. Raising children, bringing children forth is a wonderful thing, to get pregnant and to have babies. But then what are you supposed to do with those babies? how are you supposed to send them out into the wider world, the universe? What is your purpose? Tune into it. Now this one I should have known, but I want to be sure I didn't miss anything. So better to be prepared whenever possible. Ka'umba. That's creativity. Yes. I am truly a conscious creatress. I'm wearing my creations. And you could wear my creations too. I'm working on ways that you can get to my one-of-a-kind pieces. These are my personal pieces that I love. Although on my fingers are some pieces that are available for you. Let me slow down. I want to dance with somebody. Dance is a form of creation. It's a form of healing. A high vibration of healing. And I've come back into my dancing with love and expectations of peace. And the last is faith. Faith that you will enjoy every moment of your life. That any trial and tribulation that comes to you, you will overcome because you will have tuned into the divine, who I call the first mother. Because it seems to me that we all came through, not it seems to me, it is the way it is. We all came through that portal of the feminine. I mean, that's evident. It's reality. But anyway, you choose whom to have faith in. But know whomever you choose to draw from dwells within you. I'm going to see who has come to visit me and acknowledge their presence. I give thanks. And interesting, I see a sister from way back in the day who I danced with. Yes. Habaragani, what is the word? We have much to say to each other and to ourselves. Until we meet again. Oh, by the way, I have moved my Facebook page, so if you're interested, you can find me at Opulence Ra, R-A, Enter, N-T-R. Nice to see you, Sister Noel. Beautiful dancer, teacher, and healer of the children. Love.